Hello everyone, I'm Roderick Vicente, a caregiver student of St. Augustine School of Nursing. Today, I will demonstrate on how to, to burp the baby. Babies burp because they swallow the air bubbles while feeding. It is essential to know how to burp your child to avoid digestion issues. When to burp baby, the best time to burp your baby is immediately after feeding, especially in the first 6 months or until your baby is able to sit up and burp himself. Best position for burping your baby. Burping the baby upright on your chest or shoulder. Keep a cloth on your shoulder. Sit upright and hold the baby against your chest, resting his chin on your shoulder. Gently rub and pat your baby's back until he burps. Oh. Burping the baby in your lap. Place a bib on your lap and make your baby lie across your knees. Perpendicular to your body. With one hand, support his chin, rub or pat his back and gently until the baby burps.